Have you ever wondered how our vast and complex planet came to be? Well, let's take a journey back. About 4.5 billion years ago, when our Earth was nothing but a cloud of cosmic dust and gas. In the vast and cold darkness of space, gravity began to weave its magic, pulling together this dust and gas into a solid mass. This was no gentle process, though. Those early years were a time of unimaginable violence and chaos. The newborn Earth was constantly bombarded by meteors, causing massive explosions and shaping its surface. These impacts were so intense and frequent that the entire planet was molten, a sea of fiery lava. But amidst this turmoil, something remarkable happened. The molten mass started to cool down and a thin crust began to form on the surface, marking the beginning of our planet's solid ground. Thus, amidst chaos and violence, our Earth emerged, a raw, unformed sphere. Can you imagine a time when Earth was nothing but fire and water? Picture a world aflame, an infant planet still molten and volatile. This was the Hadean era, a time when Earth was a swirling cauldron of heat, named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld. Yet amid the fire and fury, something remarkable was happening. As the planet cooled, water began to form. Yes, the very first oceans were taking shape, born from the fires of creation. These bodies of water would eventually become cradles of life, nurturing the first organisms that would evolve into the diverse species we know today. But Earth's evolution did not occur in isolation. The formation of our moon played a crucial role in stabilizing our planet, its gravitational pull keeping our world's wobble in check, helping to create a more hospitable environment for life to thrive. So, in the fiery cauldron of the Hadean era, the cradle of life, water, was born. What if I tell you life began with a single, simple cell? Yes, this is where our story of life starts, around 4 billion years ago in the Archean era, a time when Earth's atmosphere was devoid of oxygen and life, as we know it today, was unimaginable. The protagonist of our tale is the single-celled organism. These microscopic creatures, simple yet extraordinary, are believed to be the first life forms on Earth. They thrived in the harsh conditions, setting the stage for the drama of life to unfold. Then, a significant plot twist: the development of photosynthesis. This process allowed these early life forms to convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. Over countless years, these tiny organisms transformed our planet's atmosphere, filling it with life-giving oxygen. This was a turning point, setting the stage for more complex life forms to evolve. From the humble beginnings of single-celled organisms, life began its complex journey. Can you fathom the scale of time it takes for a fish to evolve into a dinosaur? Let's embark on a journey to understand the great leaps of evolution on our planet. Imagine a world where life was just beginning to take form. The first major step in evolution was the emergence of multicellular organisms, a leap from single-celled life forms to complex organisms. This was a game changer. Suddenly, these new organisms could specialize. Some cells could focus on movement, others on digestion, and still others on reproduction. It was like a life-form version of a sports team where everyone has their own role to play. From this point, life on Earth really kicked into gear. A particularly significant event was the Cambrian explosion, a period around 540 million years ago when most major animal groups first appeared in the fossil record. It was as if life had suddenly been given a blank canvas and a full palette of colors to work with, leading to an explosion of creativity in the forms of life. The next big leap in evolution was the rise of dinosaurs, which dominated the Earth for over 160 million years. These magnificent creatures, some as small as chickens and others towering above the tallest trees, represented a pinnacle of evolutionary development. However, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt end with one of the mass extinction events that have punctuated Earth's history. This paved the way for the rise of mammals, our own group, which had previously been overshadowed by the dinosaurs. These leaps in evolution weren't always steady. They were often punctuated by mass extinctions which wiped out a huge proportion of life on Earth. But each of these catastrophic events also created new opportunities for life to adapt, evolve, and fill the vacant niches. Evolution, with its eons of time, has crafted a stunning tapestry of life. When did we, as humans, enter the stage of Earth's history? This question brings us to the most recent chapter of our planet's narrative, the Age of Humans, or as some scientists call it, the Anthropocene. Our journey begins around 6 million years ago, when the earliest human-like creatures, known as hominids, first appeared. Over millions of years, these hominids evolved, branching out into various species until about 200,000 years ago, when our own species, Homo sapiens, emerged in Africa. Many defining moments have shaped our journey, but the development of tools was a game changer. It began with simple stone tools used to crack open bones for marrow. Over time, these tools became more sophisticated, allowing our ancestors to hunt, construct shelters, and manipulate their environment in unprecedented ways. The invention of agriculture around 10,000 years ago marked another major milestone in human evolution. This development allowed us to settle in one place, leading to the establishment of societies and civilizations. From the ancient cities of Mesopotamia to the vast Roman Empire, human societies have grown and evolved, each leaving its mark on the planet. Fast forward to the present day, and our technological achievements are astounding. We've built towering skyscrapers, crafted intricate machines, and even launched ourselves into space. Our combined knowledge and innovation have propelled us into an era of rapid advancement. But with great power comes great responsibility. Our influence on Earth is so profound that we've altered the climate, leading to a new set of challenges. Climate change, driven by our own actions, is a pressing issue that threatens our future and the future of countless other species. So here we stand at the dawn of our own age, an age defined by our presence and our impact. And as we look to the future, we must remember our past, acknowledging the road we've traveled and the challenges we've overcome. We humans are but a blink in Earth's timeline, yet our impact is undeniable. As we continue to shape our world, let's strive to leave a legacy that future generations can be proud of. So, what does this journey through Earth's history tell us? Well, we've traversed through 4.5 billion years, from the fiery birth of our planet through the age of fire and water to the dawn of life. We've seen the Earth transform and evolve, just as life itself has done. We've journeyed through the epochs, witnessing the first spark of life in the primordial soup, the great leaps of evolution that led to a dizzying array of species, and the relentless march of natural selection. We've seen the rise of the dinosaurs, their fall, and the emergence of mammals. And then there's us, humans. We've traced our own lineage back to the earliest hominids, seen how we've learnt, adapted, and innovated. We've seen how we've shaped the Earth as much as it has shaped us. As we continue to shape Earth's future, let's remember the incredible journey that brought us here.